Hi, I'm Irvin O from Voxeldance. In this video, you will have an overview of the Voxeldance Additive. Voxeldance Additive is a powerful data preparation software for 3D printing. It is compatible with different 3D printing technologies, including DLP, SLS, SLA, and SLM. The software bridges the gap between CAD file and 3D printers. Voxeldance Additive has industry-leading algorithm and software kernel that optimizes every single process. The intuitive user interface also makes your workflow easy to use. A complete 3D printing workflow in Voxeldance Additive includes the following steps: platform definition, importing, fixing, editing, lightweight, orientation, 2D or 3D nesting, support generation, analysis, slicing, and hatching. When you first launch the software, you will see a generic build platform in the center of the screen. The first thing you want to do is go to Platform Definition, then select a machine from the list, or create a new one. Next step, you need to import a file. Voxeldance Additive supports a full range of file formats, including the typical STL file or the native CAD file. The software will analyze if the part is watertight. If there's an exclamation mark, that means the part has errors. All you need to do is to click Fixing and the errors will all get fixed. We also provide a variety of manual fixing tools such as fix normals, close holes, and remove intersections. Once a file is fixed, it's now ready to be edited for high quality and efficient printing. Adding lattice could both lighten the parts and enhance their strength at the same time. You can add labels to each part so they can be easily identified later on. A perfect orientation can lead to less printing time and better printing quality. In Voxeldance Additive, with its orientation optimizer, you can improve the placement of the part according to a number of criteria such as printing time, support area, support volume, and bounding box volume. In addition to that, Voxeldance Additive also developed a specific orientation tool for dental. You can one-click to have the cup of the crown facing up. In addition to orientation, you can also use the nesting tool to place multiple parts on the platform the way you want. 2D nesting allows you to spread out the parts in a two-dimensional space based on a variety of criteria. For example, you can place the parts either ordered by height or from a specific corner. SLS is a self-supporting technology. It's a typical scenario that requires 3D nesting to automatically place all parts in a three-dimensional space. As for smaller parts that are usually fragile, you can use sub-nesting and sinter box to protect all these parts in a small box. They will also be easier to be removed from the powder during post-processing. While for printing technologies like DLP, SLA, and SLM, a well-designed support is crucial to a successful 3D printing. Voxeldance Additive preset a variety of support types, including bar support, point support, line support, volume support, smart support, and solid support. It also allows you to create your own support script. Go to Support module, open Automatic Support, then create a new support script. Add one or more support types to it. Once support types added, you can modify the parameters and save. The script is now ready to be used anytime in the future, and generate support with a certain support script. Voxeldance Additive will automatically create supports accordingly. If you are not satisfied with the automatically generated supports, the Voxeldance Additive also allows you to manually add, edit, or remove supports. If you want to create a support on a specific area of one part, right-click that area and execute the support template you want. A support will be created for that area. Next step, you can use a number of tools for analysis. For example, you can detect collisions between parts, check wall thickness, or estimate the printing time and cost. Now, you can start slicing. With the powerful slicing algorithm of Voxeldance Additive, it is done within milliseconds. In the slicing module, you can go through every single layer. You can also edit the slices by adding Z compensation, merge slices, or apply boolean to the slices. Next step is hatching. The slice animation can simulate the order of scanning. From the animation, you can double-check its sequence and decide if the laser pass is efficient. Now, you've reached the last step, exporting. You need to export the sliced part to a file that can be understood by the printer, such as CLI, SLC, or PNG. The build file with hatches can also be saved as a VBF file. VBF is a customized format defined by Voxeldance and ready to be reused by printer vendors. Voxeldance Additive now supports multiple languages. If you want to learn more about it, please go to our website and check out manuals and documents. And we'd love to have you requesting for trial on our website. If you try it, you will love it.